This is a very important part of this chapter that suggested the merits of democracy. Democracy is more accountable form of government. One one term is given there regarding the accountable. Accountable मतलब क्या होता है? जिम्मेदार. One example is given there about in the case study of China 1958-1961 recorded as the worst famine in the history of China, under which millions of people were killed and government did not pay any attention for the improvement of the people. Such famines also recorded in the history of our country, but the important is how we tackle the situation. Like recent day, a crisis is going on. In that crisis, how government manage it. Like you can see in the case of America and India, America is a developed country and India is a developing country. We do not have proper resources as compared to America in terms of medical facilities. But they depend on government how it reacts. You can see in America millions of people were registered, and nowadays, and because of the government lockdown policy, it is there in the less, very less in number as compared to America and other European countries. Because we knew our limitations, so it's a responsibility or accountability of the government how they tackle it in particular situation. They also paying attention for the rehabilitation program of the workers as well. So it shows accountability of the country, how the elected government is paying attention for the welfare and taking care of the people. Here move to the second aspect, improves the quality of decision making. Improves the quality of decision making means that how the quality of decision making come to an existence. These are come to an existence because of the four reasons. Many people take part in decision making. So before taking a decision, government consulted and discuss in proper manner. In a meeting, when large number of people putting their heads together, discussion is proper there, and after taking a decision, the it reaches to the final consequences. Then decision is always a better one. So democracy, before taking a decision, they take lot of discussion and debate regarding the same issue. You have often seen that during the condition of lockdown, how Prime Minister taking care of these issues properly, and he regularly keep in touch with the chief ministers and take meetings on regular basis. What steps should be taken, or any problem is there with the state government, central government is ready to solve it. So under which after discussion, the government takes proper decisions. The third argument is provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Differences are there in our country more because our country is a diverse country. People are not same in nature. They are diverse in culture. So whenever they diverse, they involve in clashes. People in our country speak different languages. They live in different regions. Then different castes and communities are there. So in such a situation, if government give preference to one particular group, then what would happen? This will involve in clashes and dissatisfied group will demand from their side as well. If government favor one community, then other communities will create problem for the government. They also demand their share in that manner. So in such a situation, government used to take decision which satisfy the needs and aspiration of all the people. If there is any clashes occurred, then government try to resolve through dialogues and negotiations. Because in a democracy, it is said that no one is permanent winner, no one is permanent loser. Another important aspect is there, democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Here in democracy, poor and rich treat equally. Poorest and the least educated are the same status as the rich and educated. You can see this type of picture is seen during the process of election. When our vote value, when the poor people's vote value is equal to the rich people, rich can manage things for themselves, but poor can't. So government used to provide subsidies for them so that government treated equal manner in times of judiciary as well, in times of judgment. court will provide justice without seeing the status of a person. So in that manner, government used to maintain that democracy used to maintain the dignity of citizens. Then finally, allow us to correct its own mistakes. Allow us to correct its own mistakes. It is said that गलती तो भगवान भी करते हैं, तो इंसान या शासन भी गलती कर सकता है. बट व्हाट इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज़ कि अपनी गलती को सुधार लेना ही बेस्ट होता है. So in democracy, if government takes any decision which is not suitable for the people, government roll back its decision. But in non-democratic country, it is not possible to roll back its decision. For example, you see in Ramayana, Ravan didn't return Sita to Rama. Result, he was killed. Or many dictators were there in the country like North Korea, Kim Jong. They did not return their decisions. They did not recall their decisions. Many examples are there. Hitler is one of the example of those. All these points suggested that democracy is considered the best form of government.